Hi, and welcome to Scribe Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Scribe tools for InDesign to add page ranges to the running heads of your EndNotes sections. This tool requires very specific setup, so I would always suggest going to our documentation and following the instructions there. To find this, open up your browser window and go to scribenet.com. From here, click on Well-Formed Document Workflow, and then go down to the documentation link. Now we'll go to Scribe Tools for InDesign, and we'll select EndNote Page Ranges. Here you'll find step-by-step instructions to ensure that you're setting up your pages properly so that the tool will run without any issues. For our tutorial today, I'll be showing you how to do this using a file that was typeset using our standard Scribe template. So I'll navigate to InDesign, and I will jump to our Notes section. The first requirement is that our Notes section uses a distinct master page. You can go to your Pages panel to see what master page is being used. If you don't see your Pages panel, you can go to Window and Pages, or simply select Command and F12. Often, we'll find that the master page being used is just a general master page for all back matter content, as is the case here. To make a new master page, I'll right-click on the back matter master page and select Duplicate Master Spread. Now I'll right-click again, go to my Master Options, and rename this to Notes. Our next step is to add an object style to our running head boxes. So scroll up and we will select both boxes. Now we'll need to make a new object style, so let's open our Object Styles panel. If you don't see Object Styles, go to Window and Styles and select Object Styles. Click the drop-down menu in the top right and select New Object Style. Because we already have the running head selected, all we really need to do here is to change the name of our object style to Running Notes. Now all we need to do is select our new object style, and that should complete this step. Next, we'll need to change the running head text itself. I'm going to go back out to our instructions, and I'm going to copy the exact language required. Now I'll go back to InDesign, and we'll replace just the text variables with the new text. Any folios or decorative dashes can just stay as they are. The last part of our setup is just going to be applying that new master page to all of our notes section. So go back up to your Pages panel, and now we're going to scroll down and we're going to select the first note page. Now keep scrolling and go to our last page. Now hold Shift and select the last page. Now we just need to right-click any of the pages and select Apply Master Pages. And now we will choose our new Notes master page. And finally, we're just going to need to check to make sure that our endnote character style is being applied locally rather than using a grep or a nested style. So go back to your notes and just select one of your note numbers. Then go to your character style panel and check that the endnote character style is highlighted. If the style is not highlighted, but you see it down in the bottom menu, this means that it's being applied with the grep or nested styles and will need to be made local before we run the tools. If that is the case, go up to Scribe Tools, go down to Export XML, and then select Make Nested Styles Local. This will change all nested and grep styles to local styles. Since our styles are local, we should be all set to run the Scribe tool. Now go up to Scribe Tools, go down to EndNotes, and select Add EndNote Page Ranges. This will bring up a menu where the tool will ask you to provide some basic information. The first is whether the book renumbers notes by chapter, and the answer is yes, so we'll select that on. Next, it will ask you which paragraph style is used to denote heads within the EndNote chapter. Since this book uses AH-Alt-BM, I will select that. This will also catch any AHF-Alt-BM, but it will not catch AHF, so you need to make sure that both of these styles are matching up. Because we followed the instructions on the website, the tool will automatically find our master page and our object style for us, so now we can just select OK to run the tool. This will go through and we'll apply our page numbers to our running heads. Now is a good time to mention that this tool can be run at any time. If you have changes in first pages that result in reflow, you can just rerun the tool and it will update the page numbers for you. As you can see, the tool has added the page numbers to our running heads. And now if I scroll down to our last page where we have a single note, you can see that the tool has also changed pages to page here and deleted the duplicate page and end dash. Now that we've been through this process, you should be all set to apply running heads to the page ranges in your notes section. This video was recorded on December 2nd, 2021. For the latest instructions, updates, and well-formed document workflow tips, go to scribenet.com. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos for more tips to make the publishing process a little bit easier.